Hey everyone, my name is Hydro and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a simple piglin gold farm. So now, before we begin, a massive shout out to my man John Leong, who has been a massive supporter of this channel and also suggested this video idea to me. And now, without further ado, let's begin with the video. So before I show you the items, I just want to show you that this completely works, as you can see. And yeah, so the items required are any solid block of your choice, dispensers, hoppers, buttons, lava bucket, water bucket, any slab of your choice, obsidian, glass, and finally flint and steel. And now let's begin, starting with the obsidian. So what you want to do now is make a 22 by 22 nether portal one up the ground. So I'm just going to break that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright guys, so once you've completed your nether portal, it should look something like this. And after that, what you want to do is go ahead and grab your solid block and place them down as so. So you want to create this base, so down here. Alright, so now that you have finished with this base, what you want to do is go ahead and go to this side, alright, and make it too high. And before that, I just want to show you guys something. So this trick will show you where your piglins will spawn, which is really important for this build. Otherwise, you won't get it right. So grab your water bucket, your dispenser, as well as your observer. Alright, now once you do that, as well as your solid block, and now just go ahead into the other side. Oh, there's a water bucket here. Want to build two like this way, and place a observer over here, place one dispenser over here, and what you want to do now is quickly make this platform kind of thingy. Alright, you want to make this, place your water bucket in here, and now finally your observer facing this side. So now what this will do is trigger this. Alright, now once you do that, quickly place your flint and steel when the water is not there, and then you'll get to know where it spawns. So as you guys saw, there was a piglin that spawned here, so that means we're going to have to make the enclosure this side. Alright, now that is complete, you can quickly go ahead and break all of these things. Alrighty, now okay, now once you break all of this, what you want to do is go over here. Oh, sorry guys, it's a bit laggy. And over here and make a 2 by 2. So and extend this to 4 blocks of height. I know guys, it's a bit laggy. I'm really sorry about that. Alright, so now once you have done this, what you want to do is take glass and basically just put this around. So till here. Alright, and you have to extend this to 4 blocks height as well. Alright, now that the glass is heightened up to 4 blocks, what you want to do is go ahead into the other side and want to make this platform. So like so, and extend it all the way till here. Alright, and make one more a step higher than this. So here. Alright, and what you want to do is again extend it till the end. Alright, so after this, listen to this step now, it's important. You want to take your observer, place one this side. Alright, so you want to see the arrow is this facing this way, and then place 6 others, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 observers facing this way. And then what you want to do after that is come over here, come to the top, and place one observer facing upwards and the other observer facing downwards. So you'll get this kind of arrow pattern and up and down pattern, kind of like the lift. Alright, so one, and then again repeat this step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now what you want to do is repeat the step, make one up and one down. Alright, so once you get this ready, what you want to do is place 6 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, so 6, and then what you want to do is place one block over here and extend this all the way back. So I'm just going to extend it quickly as so. Now what you want to do is build a 2 blocks high. Alright, 2 blocks, and then extend this all the way back as so. Alright, so here, and once again extend this. Alrighty, so after you complete this, what you want to go is come over here and start placing the blocks like this as so till the end. Okay, so now once you do that, just grab a trapdoor quickly, and now what you want to place them as so. Alright, so like this. Alright, after you place the trapdoors as so, you should get something like this. And now what you want to do is go ahead and grab your lava bucket. Alright, grab your lava bucket and come over here. Alright, over here. Now what you want to do is carefully place one over here and then one on top of this. Alright, and then as you can see, the nether portal is activated. And then what you want to do is come over here after the second observer and place one here and one over here. Alrighty, now that this step is completed, and don't worry about the fire guys, it won't do anything. And now what you want to do is come over here and place one water bucket over here and one water bucket over here. And if you have 22 blocks as I have, you'll get 3 blocks of space. And now what you want to do is dig 21 blocks down. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So after you dig 21 blocks down on all 3 gaps, what you want to do is go down and make a kind of opening so that your piglins stop here. Alright, So make a kind of small base and I'll be right back with you guys. All right. So once you have dug out a small space like this, what you want to do is go ahead and grab your chests, all right, and place them over here as so. So place them in this order exactly. And if you want the dimensions of this space, it will be on your screen right now. And now what you want to do is connect these hoppers to these chests. So now that we get that out of the way, so just connect these. And now, okay, sorry guys. Alrighty. So now that I've connected these, so what you want to do now after this is just make a quick getaway. So just make a ladder for yourself over here, or if you want, you can use any other method. And basically, way for you to enter into your base and collect all your items. So now that we have this, so now we just have to do one final step. So for the final step, what you want to do is come over here, break these 3 blocks, all right, and grab a button, all right. So once you do that, just place it as so. Okay, not here, as so, all right. And now once you do that here, you just place a block as so. So as you can see, so this is the combination of how you should place it. And now what we're going to do is come back over here and break these 2 blocks, all right. Remember these 2 blocks. And now is the tricky part. So what you want to do is place one block over here, come over here and place the observer over here. So the red eye should be facing this to the nether portal as so. And now take your dispenser and the dispenser's hole, this hole of the dispenser should be facing the nether portal. All right, so now once you do that, you want to grab another observer of yours and place them over here as so. And also for finally, you have to place a water bucket into the dispenser. And as you can see, and so now zombie pigments are going to start spawning in. All right, as you can see, so because of the water, they're going to be dragged down into the hole and you're going to be able to collect your loot. So guys, I forgot to mention, but you have to add slabs over here in order to prevent the pigment from escaping. And why you want to do that is they don't actually die like that. It's because of the entity count that is a maximum of 24. So once 24 pigment get stuffed into that one area, they'll start to die automatically. All right. So remember that I told you to place a slab, right? So this is the reason why. And now they're going to die once the entity count comes to 24. All right. So as you can see, some of them are already starting to die and we are getting stuff. But yeah, so that's going to be the end of the tutorial. It's been really hard to make, guys. So a thumbs up would be greatly appreciated, and also subscribe if you enjoyed. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.